Today, we're walking along Fjällgatan, which is one of Stockholm's most famous streets and home of some of the most spectacular views in the city. As we make our way east along the edge of Södermalm, we'll discover some historic houses, famous writers, some of the best panoramas of Stockholm. So, give it a go. The name Fjällgatan literally means mountain street, runs along the northern edge of Södermalm on top of the steep cliff overlooking the water below. So let's see if we can get there. It's a very popular tourist spot. One of the reasons why the view is so impressive is that we're standing high above Saltsjön, or Salt Sea, and the entrance to Stockholm Harbor. This street is pretty calm. Look at this. Man, that's beautiful. So you have Gamla Stan over there. And a yacht. The yacht is owned by, I think he's a German billionaire, and it's a very impressive one. Actually has a basketball court on the back, and you can land a helicopter. And then you have Gröna Lund over here. And the Swedish ship. Look at these. Both of them. They have stealth technology in them. So actually the corvettes. And some of the ferries, ships that go out across the Baltic Sea over to Lithuania, Latvia, but mostly Finland. Look at that stunning sailboat. Oh, and they have a cafe. Nice, nice. Let's continue. Stunning. Today, this area is actually one of Stockholm's most desirable neighborhoods. But for much of the history of Södermalm, this was a working class neighborhood with some sailors, laborers, craftsmen that lived in many of the small houses that used to be here. Mostly wooden houses, which has been torn down by now. Now, looking out across this harbor, you're seeing one of the gateways to the Stockholm archipelago, which contains roughly 30,000 islands, inlets, and skerries. Did you know that Sweden actually has one of the most islands in the world, or the most islands in the world? They count it as 200,000 islands. Many people think like, oh, it would be Indonesia, but it is not true. It's Sweden. So I highly recommend you to take a boat out in the archipelago. Take a day trip. Bring your friends, bring your family. There are many nice restaurants out there. You can eat very good. I wouldn't say that you can go swimming or anything like that, but it's a beautiful view, beautiful experience, let's say. So, but this is the end of this video. So if you like this kind of video, like and subscribe. Bye-bye.